Finding wholesale properties on Propstream is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can find wholesale properties on Propstream. In order to do that, you need to follow these instructions. First of all, you need to log into your Propstream account and then you have to navigate to search tab. Now in the search tab, you have to search the criteria including your location, property type, price range, and any other relevant filters. Now, step 4, look for options to filter by property status or property type. Now, step 5, choose the filter that are commonly associated with wholesale properties such as property with high equity, properties in pre-foreclosure, properties with absentee owners, or property with distressed conditions. Now, review the results to find the properties that matches your criteria and may be suitable for wholesaling. Analyze properties to assess its potential for a wholesale deal. Consider factors like property's conditions, location, market value, and potential renovation cost. Now, reach out to property owner or real estate agents as necessary to explore potential wholesale opportunities further. That's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.